Look who's back! Not only Jesus has resurrected recently, I brought you Khachapuri, also known as a cheese boat, also known as a cheese bread, which is essentially a pizza if it had live goals and choose to be filled with cheese instead of meaning. Start by combining water, olive oil, and fresh yeast. Yes, you can use dry yeast, but don't. Mix it a bit, add flour and salt, mix again until no dry flour remains. No need to overachieve here. Chopstick is an absolute winner for this kind of job. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave it alone for about 20 minutes. Then come back, wake up the dough and do a set of folds. Stretch it, fold it over itself, repeat a few times. Then slap it against the bowl to make sure it knows who's in charge here. Cover it again and leave it for 30 minutes. By now, the dough has likely started to feel safe. Well, that's unfortunate. Go back in and do another round of folds, followed by more slapping. Restore the imbalance. Cover and leave for another 30 minutes. At this point, the dough resists more. That's good. That's gluten structure, also known as character development. Cover it and leave for about an hour and a half, or until it doubles in size and starts believing in itself again. In the meantime, prepare the cheese. You will need a lot. And then a bit more. Ideally, you'd use Sulguni, that's what I'm using, but since it's a rare species, Gouda or anything similar will do. Probably. Grate everything. I also added Parmesan because I had it, not because it was needed. You know, the Lord works in mysterious ways. Put it all into a bowl, attempt to clean your workspace using editing magic. Notice how it works inconsistently, like most systems in life. Add Quark or Cottage cheese, or any white creamy cheese, actually. At this point, authenticity is already gone, so just commit to it. If someone from Georgia is watching this, they have probably left already. Add one egg, mix, add another egg, mix again, salt, pepper, mix again, done. A cholesterol bomb. Go back to the dough, take it out and divide into 3 roughly equal pieces. Precision is optional. Shape each piece into a big thick ball and roll it on the counter as though you both enjoy it. I have nothing to say here actually, so musical break. Sprinkle them with flour, cover and let them rest for half an hour. Now shaping. There are multiple ways to shape Khachapuri. I will show you 2. Both are probably wrong and not authentic, but who cares? Well, probably Georgian people do, so I'm sorry. First method. Stretch the dough into an oval. Not perfect, just convincingly oval. Then spread cheese along the edges, all the way around the perimeter. Then fold the edges inward over the cheese, sealing it into the border. You should end up with something resembling a boat. Pinch the ends to form those pointed sides, try to make them look intentional, then add more cheese into the center, because stopping now would be inconsistent. Transfer it into a very hot oven, around 220 degrees Celsius. However you manage that transfer is your problem now, and bake for about 15 minutes. Second method, roll the dough into a similar oval as previous, but this time put the filling directly into the center. Seal it like you're hiding evidence. Flip it over, then gently roll it out again into an oval. Take something sharp and scorp the middle. Then pull the cut open slightly to create that familiar shape, or something adjacent to it. Add more cheese on top, because there's no upper limit here. Into the oven, same temperature, same timing. As for the first one, after 15 minutes, add an egg yolk in the center and bake for another 2 to 3 minutes. Just until the outside sets but the inside stays runny. And there you have it. A big, thick, heavy piece of bread filled with cheese. A diabetic's nightmare. The only correct way to eat it is to tear off the side, use it as a spoon, and shovel everything straight into your mouth. What can I say? It tastes exactly how it looks. Bread, cheese, no surprises. And here's the version without the egg yolk, in case that was keeping you up at night.